viewers, this is Dee coming at you with pineapples and herbs, some of the easiest plants to grow. Pineapples are one of the easiest plants to grow. I go to the farmer's market weekly, grab some pineapples, twist the top off, throw it right into the soil, add some water, and let the sun do its job. I buy at least 3 to 4 pineapples every 4 weeks. I plant pineapples month by month because they take a while to grow. Sometimes I have to trim the pineapple leaves down because they become very outrageous and they are very thorny. This is one of my biggest pineapple plants right here. I also have some pineapples in my garden bed. And there is the pet lizard from Creatures in the Garden from my last video. And there's another one of my pineapples, and that one's about 4 to 5 months old. Here's my herb garden right here, and we also have another lizard sitting here. So some of my herbs I have gotten from the nursery, and some are strictly from seed. And these are my seedlings. Some are herbs, some are mango seeds. All of this is trial and error, still experimenting. There's nothing better than just to plant a seed and watch it go. That's the beauty of gardening. I would like to give a special thanks to the people that helped me and helped inspire me in gardening. Also, the people that helped me edit these videos. I'd like to give a special thanks to my wonderful neighbors next door and Little Handsome. I'd like to give a special shout out to my son and daughter and my son's family, granddaughters, his wife, and all. I'd like to give a shout out to anybody who's inspired to garden and grow, grow, grow. Growing your own food is a very wonderful journey. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful hobby. Any hobby that you love, any hobby that inspires you, is going to be a beautiful journey for you. So go out, plant, and enjoy your life. And grow, grow, grow. There's nothing better in this world than to plant a seed and just watch it take off and to be able to consume everything from your backyard. Thank you, viewers, for all that is watching. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.